How to import EML files into Thunderbird.
If you have a large number of EML files stored on your computer and want to import them into Thunderbird, the process is simple, but there's a smarter way to do it efficiently. First, open your Thunderbird app and select the folder where you want to import your EML files. You can quickly import a few files by simply dragging and dropping them from your computer into Thunderbird. However, importing a large number of files this way can be slow, and in some cases, Thunderbird may become unresponsive. To import all your EML files smoothly and efficiently, it's best to use an extension. Simply click on the Settings icon, then select Add-ons and Themes. In the search box, type Import Export Tools NG. To add this extension, click on the Add to Thunderbird button just beside it, and in the pop-up window, click Add. Once installed, close all unnecessary windows and return to the Folders panel. Now, right-click on the folder where you want to import your EML files. For demonstration, I'll create a new folder and import all the EML files here. Right-click on the folder, select Import Export Tools NG, then click on Import EML Messages. You'll see three options: individual EML messages, all EML messages from a directory, and all EML messages from a directory and its subdirectories. Since we are importing multiple files from a folder, select all EML messages from a directory. Next, choose the folder where your EML files are stored and click Select Folder. That's it. The import process will begin. Depending on the number and size of your files, it may take a few moments to complete. And that's how you can easily import multiple EML files into Thunderbird in a smooth and efficient way. Thanks for watching!